What's going on, everyone? Mike here, and today I'm going to be talking about the easiest way to earn over $1,000 a day using Go High Level and ChatGPT. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to not only give you a free course and proof showing you exactly what I'm doing, but the best part is I have nothing to sell you. In fact, in today's video, not only am I going to show you how to diversify your income, but I'm going to be giving you a full done-for-you system that includes this checklist, also a checklist of over 130 tools that you can get paid to promote. I'm going to give you pre-written emails with AI, and I'm also going to be giving you videos, done for you videos that you can start posting on platforms like TikTok, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and I'm going to be giving you a full step-by-step course that'll help you with everything that we're talking about in today's video, all for free. And to get access to this, all you have to do is subscribe, drop a comment, let me know you're taking action, and I will send you everything in this video free of charge. So in order for us to start using this system, I need to explain what it is. So let me just go ahead and pull up the notepad here. So what are we going to be doing is I like to call this the 5 steps framework. And the first one is simply going to be getting the checklist. Once you get the checklist, just go to digitalplaybook.com, put in your information, and you will get redirected to the checklist. So let's go back to the notepad. Once you have the checklist, then we need to select an AI tool, which I show you the list. Then we got to replicate content. I say replicate content because we can either replicate what I'm doing, where I'm creating an AI generated clone of myself, or we can take that done for you videos that I already have and just repurpose them. And then how do we make the money? We start posting content and we send traffic to the different links that we are able to get paid a commission for. And then the last step is automate and repeat. So let's go ahead and jump into the checklist and let me go through how to get started. So once we get to the checklist, we're going to go to the very first step right here, which is grab the 14-day free trial of Go High Level. We use this tool because this is what I've been using for a couple years now, and I really like how they've integrated a lot of the main things that we need, which is automations, funnels, and a scheduler. So you go ahead and sign up, 14-day free trial. If you don't like it, cancel it. Once we have our account, we need to import a snapshot. And what a snapshot is it is going to allow you to import everything that I'm using in my account directly into yours. So all my funnels, all my automations, all my custom values, all that stuff is going to be inside your account. Now, once you have signed up, you're going to have an account like this. It's not going to have any numbers in it yet, but the 3 areas that we are going to be talking about is going to be marketing, automations, and sites. Marketing, this is where the schedule is, the scheduler or the social planner that allows you to schedule out your content. Automations, this is where we build out different sequences for emails. And then sites, this is where we build out the front end, the funnel, when they click on your domain to enter in their email and first name. So let's just go ahead and go back to the digital playbook to make sure that we are staying on task. We have that. Then we need to purchase our domain because we need a link, or we need a domain so we can send someone to the link. Like my domain is digitalplaybook.com. If you want to do something in makeup, it could be foundationbeauty.com. Whatever you want. Domain's $11 for the year. Pretty cheap. Next one is setting up your accounts. Most people, I assume, you have a Gmail account. YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook are the 3 main ones that you should be getting started with. TikTok, don't worry about TikTok. TikTok does not really like AI content. And since that's how we're going to be automating a lot of this using AI generated content, I wouldn't even focus on TikTok right now. Setting up your avatar. Now, before we set up the avatar, we need to go back into Go High Level and talk about the funnels. So let's set up a funnel. We are going to let's use this one. So right here is just a basic funnel. We have a title, a video, pop-up. Voila. So right here, this is going to be the first thing that someone clicks on when they're watching your short form content. Any type of title, any type of little description. And then the video right here, you want it to be 7 to 12 minutes, a little bit in depth about what you're trying to promote. Because you got to think your audience is coming from short form content. So they just got intrigued. But now on this page, you need to start giving them value and trust for them to be able to put in their email and first name to get them into that email automation, which we're going to cover right now. So I have an email automation. You'll get all this stuff when you import it into your account, but the main one I want to focus on is this new email opt-in. Why I like this one is what I've done is there's already a list of 60 emails in there for you. And what I've done is I've imported a custom value, which allows you to go into settings and place your affiliate link in one place, and then it'll populate wherever there's a hyperlink inside of the emails. So as you can see right here, custom value, if we were going to settings or when we would send this out, your affiliate link would be in that spot. Let's just go down here again. Email number 7, you see where it's highlighted. This is where your affiliate link would be populated. And all you have to do that is we're going to go back to workflows, go to settings, go to custom values, and then we are going to hit create new affiliate link and then post your affiliate link. So let's say, well, I don't have an affiliate link. You got over 150. So all these tools right here, you can sign up to become an affiliate of them or partner with them, and they will give you a link to promote, where most of the time you'll get 30 to 45% for every commission that you sell or that you get someone to sign up for this tool. If you're starting off, go with this tool right here. I am obsessed with this cool tool. It's called Traffic ID. And what it allows you to do is put a little snippet of code on your website, and then whether or not they fill out the opt-in form, you have the potential to get their information. Look at this. So this is on my digital playbook right here, my domain. These are 7 people that visited my site but didn't enter in their information. And as you can see right here, they're 13 seconds. If I were to click on here, it shows you the page. It even shows you their LinkedIn profile if you have one. So this tool right here, Traffic ID, is amazing. Not even for the affiliate side of it, but let's say you wanted to do more of a software side of it, where you actually are the one to set this up for them, and you're charging $297 a month, depending on the customer. But that's for another video. So let's go ahead and figure out how to become an affiliate. All you would do is, I'm actually logged into my account. What you would do is, a lot of the times if you scroll down to the bottom of these softwares, they have a place where you can become an affiliate. Right there, boom, become an affiliate. You would click there, sign up, and you would get a link right here. You can see this is my affiliate link because it has my name right there connected to it. So this right here, we would copy that, and this is what you would paste right here in the value. I'm not going to do that because I already have mine created. So we have the logo, not the logo, Mike. You have the front end of the funnel. You have the back end of the funnel. Now you need the content. And this is normally the hardest, but I've made it so much easier for you guys because I give you done for you content right here that you can start using. I'm working on generating some more content for you guys, but with how small the group is right now, this is more than enough for who's in the group. So all you would do is, I just want to kind of see which one this is. Open preview. So what you would do is you would download these videos right here. How you do that? Boom, download about 5 or 6. And then we want to go into something like Snapchat, not Snapchat, Michael, CapCut. And then we would create a project. I already have one created. And we would import the different video clips that we have. And as you can see right here, this is one of the completed videos that I've already made that I'll show you. But as you can see right here, I have some background music that I imported from, I think I just went to YouTube Audio and just downloaded some music that way. So I knew that it was copyright free. And then as far as the text to speech, as you can see right here, I went to 11 Labs to generate that. And 11 Labs is free for like the first 500 credits. And as far as the different scripts I give you or prompts, these are all the different prompts right here that I use. Obviously, you would change out your domains, or let's say you only have one domain, just use that one, and then you could use mine or another thing. but this is what I would use. And then you can go into ChatGPT and type like, give me another variation of this. But once we go back into CapCut, this is what the finished product would look like for one of these potential videos.
3 websites they don't want you to know about. 1. ShineFiBots.com, your blueprint to creating online clones that make money for you. 2. DigitalPlaybook.com, a treasure chest of 400+ tools that pay you to spread the word. And the 3rd? Let's just say it's a game changer. A bot system capable of sending millions of messages.
So,
want the full
you get the point. This is not a top tier short, but this is a short that will get views. And if you start posting consistently, you are going to start to generate some leads and start driving traffic to your different links. Now, this is what I suggest for the people that just are new, want to get some stuff up and running. But what I do is I use a tool called Replicate right here, and it actually generates pictures of myself. Now, I did this for a thumbnail, but what I would do if I was making some short form content is change that to 16:9, and then I'll run it again. Normally it works on the first time. Look at that, it's running pretty sweet. But when we're making short form, wow, that's pretty good. Let's download that. So when we're making short form, it's okay to do AI because we want to generate as many videos as possible just to get content out. Long form, that's where you need to do something like screen record, something where you add a little bit of personal touch to it. But I'm going a little bit farther than I need to. So let's just go back to using the done for you videos. Once you would have a video like this, you would just go ahead and export it. And then we're going to go back into the tool, go high level, because this is where you're able to schedule out your content. So if you think about it, they've combined so many different tools together, like a social media scheduler, email marketing, website builder. This is why I love this tool so much, because everything is built in one. So this is the social media planner right here. As you can see, these are the different social media accounts I have. Yours isn't going to look like this. It's going to be completely blank. You're just going to go up here to settings. You want to connect your social media accounts, and I would connect YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Now, let's say you're more knowledgeable about LinkedIn or Pinterest. Go for it, because the whole thing is you just want to get eyeballs on your content. So for right now, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube are what I use. So that's what I'm going to talk about. Go ahead and connect those accounts, and then we're going to go to the calendar portion of it. The calendar portion, you click right here. Now, what I do is I'll schedule out a month's worth of content, of short form content. That takes off that stress and allows me to focus on doing my long form and adding that personal touch. As you can see, December is already scheduled out, and probably here in the next couple of days, I'm going to start working on January. But you're not going to see any of this. What you would do is just click on the plus sign right here. It's going to take you to the posting screen where you can just select whichever post you want, type whatever content. Now, if you're having trouble coming up with content or description ideas, go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to be your best friend. But to upload the video, you're just going to hit this little camcorder right here, and then you're going to hit upload file, and it's going to take you to your computer where you have things downloaded. I'm not going to, just going to download a random video. Then make sure you come down here, whether it's Instagram, YouTube, or Shorts. Just going to delete that, make it a reel, post, schedule a post, and voila. You do that for the whole month, and then you have a solid schedule. So what I would suggest doing is taking that done for you short form content, scheduling it out, but just going everything real quick. The 5-step framework is go ahead and get the digital playbook, select a tool. I would select Traffic ID because every business needs some free leads. If you think about it, they are free leads. They're just anonymous website visitors that they don't know about until they put that little pixel. Replicate content that I'm using. We're sending traffic to that link, and then we're going to automate and repeat. Automate and repeat. So go ahead, join the digital playbook. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, and concerns, and I'll see you in the next one, AI Pros.